Welcome. If you're looking to make your experience on X, formerly known as Twitter, safer by hiding media that contains sensitive content, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide sensitive media on X using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the More icon, which appears as 3 dots in a circle. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is all about controlling how your account interacts with content and other users. Within this menu, find and click on Content You See. This is where you can fine-tune what appears in your feed. Now, you'll see an option labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. To hide sensitive media, simply disable this option by unchecking the box next to it. Once you do this, X will automatically filter out media that's been flagged as sensitive, helping you avoid unexpected or unwanted content in your timeline and search results. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've adjusted your settings to hide sensitive content on X. This change will make your browsing experience more comfortable and tailored to your preferences. If you ever want to see sensitive content again, just follow these steps and re-enable the setting. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful. Enjoy a safer and more personalized experience on X.